Hi everybody, my name is Raj Lakpal and this is one of the projects that I did. Yeah, digit recognizer. So whatever digit that you draw on this canvas, a deep learning model will try to identify what digit you have written. So if you write 9, let's see what it predicts. It's predicting and it predicts 9. Let's try writing out 2. That's 2. Let's see 7. Now the first prediction can take up to 10 seconds because the model is loading. Let's try out 6. It's saying 2. Okay, a little better. Now it's giving 6. Let's try out 5. 5, 8. Do I have 8? Okay, 8, 0. That's a 0 prediction. 1, 1. So this is a digit recognizer system that I made. It's deployed on Heroku. तो मैं इसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा. You can also go to the GitHub repository of this thing. So इसका दो ब्रांचेस है, एक मास्टर और एक टेंसरफ्लो JS. मास्टर वाला नेटिव टेंसरफ्लो से बना हुआ है और टेंसरफ्लो JS वाला टेंसरफ्लो JS से बना हुआ है. टेंसरफ्लो JS का एक्चुअली साइज़ बहुत कम है बिकॉज आई एम यूजिंग ए CDN, content delivery network. तो द थिंग दैट यू हैव टू डू इज़ यू कैन क्लोन दिस और फिर इस फाइल को रन करने से आपका एप्लीकेशन लोकल पे रन हो जाएगा, दिस एप्लीकेशन डॉट पाई. ओके, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट द you can also read the readme file and you can also see how I trained it. This is a link of the collab file where it was trained, and this is the model architecture. You can go through it, or you can also see that the model that is currently running on production is 99.27, and the best model I had was 99.41, and I submitted the predictions on Kaggle because this project was the origin of the digit recognizer competition on Kaggle. So you can go out and test there. So that's it for the project. You can either download the code and use it, or you can go to this link and just play with it. So thank you for watching.